3D printed an oil funnel special for my purposes, and then I printed an adapter that's specific to the individual car, and this specific car is my Kia Stinger. And so I'll show you how this all goes together. First, obviously, you have to remove the oil cap, and then you install the adapter that's threaded for the Kia. Every car, or most cars, have different types of threads. So this one's for the Kia. And then I can take my funnel and drop that in to the adapter, and it gives pretty good stability on the funnel. It doesn't flop around. So the nice thing with this funnel, aside from that air release hole, which helps the oil drain in more quickly, is it's large. The top of the funnel is extra large, and I did that so that it can hold a 5-quart oil container. So as I drain out the oil, the last bits of the oil, I can set the container upside down in the funnel and just let it drip in while I go and do something else, so that I can drain out that container as much as possible.